Hi, in this lesson we'll see how to install Sublime Text Editor on our Mac OS X system. It is actually a very straightforward process. We just open our browser. I'm generally using Chrome as my favorite browser, and we go to www.sublimetext.com/3. /3 because we are downloading the latest version number 3. It is still a beta. The current released version is Sublime Text number 2, but the beta is very stable. It has been around since at least 1 year, and it's very stable and feature rich, so I generally prefer to use number 3. In order to install it, it's just a matter of clicking on the link for your OS, in this case OS X, provided that you have released version 10.7 or later. So we just click on the link. The version is downloaded on our designated download folder. We just click on the DMG that we just downloaded, and the DMG is mounted on our system for us. And then we just need to drag the Sublime Text app icon into our application folder shortcuts. It's an operation that I already did, so it's already there, but it's just this operation that you need to do. After you do this, remember to unmount the folder that was mounted when you clicked on the DMG icon. And that's it. Sublime Text is just installed in your system. We can verify that the installation went successfully. Opening the application folder, we see our Sublime Text icon present. We just double click on it and the editor is there.